Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint-Cuthbert, Quebec, is a peaceful village located in the Lanaudière region, about 100 kilometers northeast of Montreal. With its charming rural atmosphere and rich history, Saint-Cuthbert is a lovely place to explore and enjoy. Saint-Cuthbert was founded in the late 18th century and is named after Saint Cuthbert, an Anglo-Saxon saint who lived in the 7th century. The village has a long agricultural tradition, and farming remains an important part of life here. As you travel through the area, you'll see vast fields and farmlands that reflect the village's deep-rooted connection to the land. One of the standout features of Saint Cuthbert is its picturesque landscapes. The village is surrounded by rolling hills, forests, and rivers, offering plenty of opportunities for outdoor activities. Whether you're taking a leisurely walk, going for a bike ride, or just enjoying the fresh air, the natural beauty here is truly refreshing. Saint Cuthbert is also home to some interesting historical landmarks. The local church, Église de Saint Cuthbert, is a beautiful piece of architecture that dates back to the mid-19th century. For those who love the outdoors, the nearby Maskinonge River offers a peaceful setting for fishing, canoeing, or simply relaxing by the water. The river is a key part of the local landscape and has been important to the community for generations. Whether you're here to learn about its history, enjoy the countryside, or just relax in a quiet setting, Saint Cuthbert is a hidden gem in Quebec that's worth a visit.